Your faucet is turned off, but the dripping continues. Before replacing anything, notice how long it lasts, because a faucet that drips for 10 seconds has a different problem from one that drips all night. A few drops immediately after shutoff can simply be water draining from a high-arch spout or aerator. If it stops completely within a short time, the faucet may be working normally. If the dripping continues, touch the water carefully to determine whether it is hot or cold. On a two-handle faucet, that can reveal which valve is failing. You can confirm it by closing one shutoff valve beneath the sink at a time. When the dripping stops, you have identified the problem side. Inside that handle, a worn washer, cartridge, or damaged valve seal is allowing pressurized water to pass even though the handle is closed. Shut off both supply valves, release the remaining pressure, and remove the affected valve component. Match the replacement using the faucet's model number rather than appearance alone. If a correctly installed cartridge still drips, inspect the valve seat for mineral buildup, corrosion, or damage. A rough sealing surface can prevent even a new component from closing completely. Don't keep forcing the handle tighter. It won't restore a damaged seal and could break the handle. If this test helped you identify the leaking side, comment whether hot or cold water was responsible.